doesn't have to become a black hole. Yeah. But our sun won't become a black hole. It's too small. But there are other suns in other parts of the galaxy that are a few hundred times its mass, and those can become black holes when they die. Anyone else want to know anything about the universe?
Okay. So what happens when it starts to absorb things? Like, can it not just light, but what if it absorbs like things around it? Will it get bigger?
Absorb? What do you mean by that?
Like with the gravity, like
Yeah, with the gravity. What if it like pulls in planets? And
Like,
stuff?
say this is
Will it
a black
get
hole, this is a planet.
and it like
bigger?
Remember, black holes don't suck, right?
Well, it pulls it in.
get this
Because there's more gravity.
See, like the sun has a lot more gravity than we do, right? Compared to the sun, it may as well be a black hole for how much gravity has in it. We don't, guys, we don't go hurtling into the sun, do we?
What if something gets close enough? Like, what if it
Like,
like
it's close
gets
enough in the
thrown
ground.
out?
Oh, you mean like, like say you threw a baseball at the sun and you got close enough that it would just fall in?
Yeah.
Or like a meteorite falls
Could
into
that
Earth?
happen?
Yeah.
Something
If something
Will
fell,
it get bigger if that happens?
it would gain more mass, right? Just like, doesn't the Earth get a little
what
bit?
happens to the planet once it's like in the black hole?
I guess it
I-
kind of dies.
Say an asteroid hit the Earth, right? That's the same thing. That's just an object with a lot of gravity, Earth, and then something falling into it.
So it just kind of
So it would create a crater in the black hole?
That's possible. We don't know. We can't see into it. But it would get just a tiny bit heavier. But it wouldn't actually go out and find something and suck it in. Guys, I can hear you. All right.
Okay, so does that mean like our whole universe is just gonna like sit over there being a black hole? Because
Remember, the black hole doesn't suck things in.
well, I know.
If you're far enough away, you're just going to orbit it, just like our entire galaxy is orbiting a black hole.
Wait, so the black hole is
It doesn't suck. It's not magical. It's just really heavy.
And back to what I was arguing about earlier, like if a planet gets close enough to the black hole, or the gravity like pulls it in, what happens to the planet?
The gravity won't pull it in, right? Just like the sun isn't going to pull us in. All right, you wonder what happens if, hypothetically, a planet did go into a black hole?
Yeah, we like
Nobody knows. That's the thing. No one knows what happens in the black
this
hole.
is
What if Earth went into a black hole?
Nobody would know.
Then we would all know it's black
What
hole.
if guy would know the black?
Yes. Because the same reason you would die if you went to the sun. Yeah.
Burn?
You get crushed. Gravity. If the sun wasn't on fire, it would crush you. Gravity would crush you.
How would it crush you?
Because you would weigh like 1,000 pounds. You'd weigh like 100,000
Call me
pounds.
fat.
Yeah, on the black hole, you'd be so fat you'd crush yourself.
Fat pal. That.
All right,
That.
guys, we have a question. Be quiet.
Does that mean a black hole is the center of our universe?
The center of our galaxy.
Yeah.
We don't know. All the galaxies, right? We know that there's a black hole at the center of the galaxy. We don't know if there is a center of the universe, and we certainly don't know if there's a black hole there.
Everybody says like the black hole's like something.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But now you can tell them that. But now you know more than they do.
That's what it's all shove it.
Do black holes just stay around forever? And they die out?
All right, black holes pretty much can just stick around forever. Yeah, because they're just big, heavy things. Like just a big chunk of super dense material floating in space. That's the thing. It's not magical, but it is kind of cool.
Okay, so you could literally be so fat that you crush yourself.
Not fat, but say you weigh 100 times as much as you weigh now. You wouldn't be able to hold yourself up, right?
I would. I would like see my leg unless it's like that big.
Yeah. I read about it on Megan Fox's blog. Okay, to sum up, guys. Gravity.
Like doing my leg money.
Tell me the two dimensions of an object that can give it strong gravity. Who remembers? Raise your hand. Dense. Small. Big. Who wants to help him out? Help him out?
Huge, tiny.
I mean, it's small and it's heavy.
Expensive.
Small and heavy.
like lots of
That's what density means. So something that's really dense is something that's small and heavy. So a lot of mass and a small amount of size equals crazy gravity. Alright? You guys get it?
Yep.
If someone talks about black holes sucking things in, you're gonna be like, black holes don't suck, dude. And then you'll totally science them, right? I expect you all to science them.
We should go to
Okay,
the skate park.
black holes.
About that.
That's a good idea.